Deep in the islands of the Philippines, scientists stumbled upon a discovery that shocked the entire world and forced experts to rewrite what we thought we knew about history, nature, and life itself. Because the Philippines, often celebrated for its white sand beaches and tropical beauty, hides mysteries beneath its soil and seas that are only now being revealed. The discovery began in the Calao Cave of northern Luzon, where researchers uncovered fossilized bones that looked human but were unlike any human ever seen before. They belonged to a previously unknown species called Homo luzonensis, a small-bodied ancient human who lived over 50,000 years ago, rewriting the human family tree and proving that the Philippines was not just a remote group of islands, but one of the cradles of early human life. This shocked scientists because it meant our ancestors were far more diverse and widespread than anyone had imagined, and it raised questions about how these early humans reached the islands across treacherous seas thousands of years before advanced boats even existed. But that is only one of the shocking discoveries. Beneath Philippine waters, scientists found the Tubataha Reef and Verde Island Passage, called the center of marine biodiversity in the entire world, containing more species of fish, corals, and marine life than anywhere else on the planet. Imagine one stretch of ocean holding more life forms than the Great Barrier Reef or the Caribbean combined. This stunned marine biologists and made them realize the Philippines is not just another tropical nation, but the beating heart of global marine life. And if these waters are lost, the world could lose its richest source of ocean biodiversity. Then there was the discovery of the world's smallest primate, the Philippine tarsier, with eyes larger than its brain, capable of turning its head almost 180 degrees, and one of the most mysterious creatures alive today. When scientists studied it, they found unique brain structures that suggested a completely different way of perceiving the world, shocking neuroscientists who believed they understood primate evolution. The Philippines also shocked volcanologists when Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions of the 20th century, sending ash high into the atmosphere, cooling global temperatures by nearly half a degree, and proving that a single event in the Philippines could affect climate and weather across the entire planet. And the shocks kept coming. In Palawan, divers discovered the Taban Caves filled with some of the oldest human remains in Southeast Asia, over 16,000 years old, alongside tools and artifacts that hinted at forgotten cultures. In the forests of Mindoro, scientists found the tamara, a dwarf buffalo so rare it was thought nearly extinct, surviving against all odds. In the oceans, they encountered the Philippine eagle ray, giant clams, and newly discovered species of sharks, reminding us that even in the 21st century, the Earth still holds secrets. What shocked the world most was not just one discovery, but the pattern. That again and again, the Philippines revealed creatures, fossils, ecosystems, and phenomena that challenged established science. When scientists announced Homo luzonensis, textbooks were rewritten. When they mapped the Verde Island Passage, conservation strategies shifted. When Mount Pinatubo's eruption lowered global temperatures, climate scientists had to adjust their models. Each time, the Philippines forced the world to pause and rethink. And this is only scratching the surface because researchers believe many more discoveries are waiting, from undiscovered cave systems in Samar to deep-sea trenches in Mindanao that could hold unknown life forms. Already, expeditions have reported sightings of strange glowing sea creatures in the Philippine Deep, one of the deepest parts of the world's oceans. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Some scientists even believe the cure to major diseases could be hidden in the unique corals and sponges of Philippine waters, which produce compounds never found elsewhere, shocking pharmaceutical companies who are now racing to study them. The Philippines also shocked archaeologists with the discovery of a massive ancient balangay boat in Butuan, proving that Filipinos were advanced seafarers thousands of years ago, long before Europeans crossed the oceans, and that maritime civilizations thrived in Southeast Asia. Every discovery adds another layer to the truth, that this archipelago is not just a tourist paradise, but a living laboratory of Earth's past, present, and future. And why does this matter to the world today? Because the discoveries in the Philippines don't just belong to the Philippines, they belong to humanity. The story of Homo luzonensis is the story of all of us. The richness of the reefs is the lifeline of our oceans. The eruption of Pinatubo is a reminder that we are all connected under one atmosphere. The secrets of Philippine biodiversity may hold the key to future medicine, food security, and climate solutions. Scientists continue to be shocked because every time they expect to find something ordinary, the Philippines reveals something extraordinary. And maybe the greatest shock is that this nation, often overlooked on the global stage, is quietly shaping our understanding of the world. This is why global universities, research institutes, and conservation groups are now turning their eyes toward the Philippines, not only to learn but to protect, because with climate change, overfishing, and deforestation, many of these discoveries are under threat. What shocked scientists most of all is not just what they found, but what we stand to lose if we don't protect it. The Philippines is a reminder that the Earth still has mysteries, that history still has missing chapters, and that nature still has secrets waiting to be uncovered. And so the story is not finished. The caves may still hold bones of unknown species. The seas may still hide creatures stranger than we can imagine. The forest may still contain plants with the power to heal diseases. And perhaps the biggest shock of all is that the Philippines may yet reveal something that could change the course of humanity. So the next time you look at a map and see this chain of islands, remember that within them lies not just beauty but discovery, not just culture but science, not just history but the future of our planet. The Philippines shocked the world once, and it will shock it again. Don't just watch this story, be part of it, share it with others, support the protection of our planet's wonders, and subscribe for more documentaries that reveal the hidden truths shaping our world. Because the next discovery that shocks humanity may already be waiting in the Philippines.